This 2025 Lance Squire 825 is a truck camper RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Lance is 16 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 4, self-contained, air conditioning, microwave, water heater, refrigerator, stovetop burner, LP detector, leveling jacks, smoke detector, awning, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper features mid-kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Lance Squire 825 is 1,745 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.